Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Marina Protocol or BAY token on Binance Alpha. So BAY token just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it I will show you how in this video step by step. So watch this video until the end. So first you can open your Binance apps and then you have to log in first. After you log in, you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search BAY for Marina Protocol. You can search it and go to Alpha tab and you will find BAY token here. You can click it, and as you can see, this is the chart. It's just get list. So this is the chart. So from the chart perspective, I don't think it's bad or good because it's still sideways, but maybe there is some opportunities. But once again, this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research. So yeah, if you want to see the details, you can click in over here in the top and you will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume it's not good, I think, but it's not really bad. It's 6 million and there is 1 billion token. You can also check their website and their social media. So yeah, and if you want to buy it, you can just click straight here in the bottom, and then you can swap your USDT or other token to BAY, or you can also do a limit order here. You can put the price you want to buy like this, just for example, and you can just put the amount here, and then after that you can just click buy BAY. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.